Our body constantly replaces old cells with new ones through the incredible process called the cell cycle. The cell cycle is a series of events that a cell goes through as it grows, prepares to divide, and finally splits into two new cells. The cell cycle is made up of two major phases: interphase, where the cell grows and prepares for division, and M-phase, or mitotic phase, where the cell actually divides. Let's look deeper into each. Interphase is the longest phase. It's like the cell's preparation time. It has three sub-stages. Number 1, G1 phase, gap 1. The cell grows and carries out normal functions during this phase. Number 2, S phase, synthesis phase. DNA is copied or replicated in this phase. Number 3, G2 phase, gap 2. This is phase of final checks and preparations for division. Now comes the M phase, where the magic happens. This includes mitosis, the division of the cell's nucleus, and cytokinesis, the splitting of the cell's cytoplasm. Mitosis itself has 4 clear steps. Number 1, Prophase. During prophase, chromosomes become visible and nuclear envelope breaks down. Number 2, Metaphase. During metaphase, chromosomes line up in the center. Number 3, Anaphase. During anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled apart. Number 4, Telophase. In telophase, 2 new nuclei are formed. Then, in cytokinesis, the cell finally splits in 2. The cell cycle is tightly controlled. If this control is lost, cells divide uncontrollably. That's what can lead to diseases like cancer, and then when the checkpoints fail and abnormal cells multiply. Let's recap the cell cycle in 5 steps. 1, G1, cell grows 2. S, DNA replicates 3. G2, cell prepares to divide 4. Mitosis, nucleus divides. 5, cytokinesis, cell splits. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand the cell cycle, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy biology videos.